Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is to use few new products. Start with Florasis new eyeshadow palette. I'm pretty sure this is new because I haven't seen this before Impression of Dye. So again, I bought this on the official Chinese shop. So I don't know whether it matches the international website. I will have a look if I can find it, and then I will include links in my description box. This is back to their traditional classic packaging, which is still very nice. And inside, straight away, eye-catching. I only unboxed that, but I haven't touched it. Look at the color combination. I think this time they did so well. So well. Well, at least from visually, it is so nice. So I really want to use this one today with you guys. Besides, and just a few eyebrow and eye products. As I mentioned, that I'm a little bit annoying with my own eyebrows at the moment. I try to, reshape it, but yeah. I don't know whether the product's the problem or is my own brows problem. I couldn't get to the perfect eyebrow shapes I like. And so I bought Anastasia's eyebrow pencil, and I got, this is called VZ tinted. I think this is tinted. Oh no, this is waterproof liquid eyebrow pen. And I got Maybelline new liquid eyeliner. This is, I got two, I think. One is like dark brown and one is more black. Apparently this is very good, very waterproof, can last extremely long, so test it out again. And this is a new eyebrow pencil from Florasis. So we're going to try all of them. First, let's come back to the Florasis one. And this time you look at the design of the eyeshadow palette. It's so easy to mix and match and kind of work on different eye looks. If you want a simple eye look, those two colors like that, they can work as a set. And then you can mix and match. And this shimmer colors over here. Let's do the swatches first. Hoi! Oh, this is a beautiful sheen. This is not matte. Look. Can you see? It looks like wet. There isn't a smell, but there is. It's like very mild factory chemical smell, but nothing really strong at all. If you don't get closely, you can't really smell much. This time the matte powder on this palette, it is very creamy. The color, the quality is still so beautiful, very fine. And then here, oh, I think I did it wrong. I think like that, better. Oh, Oh, Maggie Tang is such a bad swatches. You know what, I would do it separately and insert over here for you guys to see a proper swatch. Today I don't really know what eye looks to create, but we just do a simple one. We not finished the eye look yet, as we need to do the eyeliner first. So let's try the Maybelline's liquid eyeliner. But before that, let me just quickly do the eyeliner gel for the inside waterlines. Look at the design. This time looks very sharp, the design. Wow. Let's have a look at the packaging itself. It's very, very sleek. Like, very cool style. And look at the mark on top of it. It's not like carved in, it's above the surface. It made this eyeliner looks even more sleek. The swatches on hand still feel a little bit wet than my expectation, but let's have a look. I think I like it. I'm not sure about the lasting bit because when I could be wrong. Because when I do the swatches on hand, it seems quite like wet. But once it's dried, see, nothing moves. It's very easy to maneuver. And another good thing about this, although it's just on my first impression, it's very easy to fill up the gaps between your lashes, if you get what I mean. Depends on the thickness of your eyelid. Sometimes if your eyelid is very thin, when you just glide the eyeliner on, you feel the whole line being filled. But when you have slightly thicker eyelid like mine, so your lashes is not grow just next to each other, it's grow up and down, so you have loads gaps in between. But normally I use gelled liner to fill up those gaps, because I find the liquid liner, the head in particular, is very pokey if I need to do that. And when I do that, because my lashes is fairly hard and stubborn, therefore it doesn't give me a fine, smooth finish. But surprisingly, I used this today to fill up the gaps. And it doesn't cause that. It's the hardness of the tip, the point. It is very, very good. Oh, Maybelline. Impressive, impressive. Let me quickly finish the other eye. I think today is not my lucky day that the eyeliner is really good, but the way I did my eyeliner today, it isn't. Oh, look at that. Hey, I think that's a good way to, clean your wing. Maybelline is good. Very good. I'm just going to dip back in the dark brown color. I'm going to mix this too a little bit and then just emphasize the out corner. And lastly, I just dip back into this lightest color just to clean all the edges. Let me finish the mascara. Okay, finish the eyes, which I am very happy about. Florasis eyeshadow palette is just never let you down, never disappoint you. Don't worry about the patch over here because I mixed this two at the end as well. Don't worry about it. But this palette, the only thing you got to be careful that everything is more towards peach orange based. Even with those two colors, I thought this one could be using for like nose shadow stuff, but it still has a little bit more peach undertone. So that's the only thing bear that in mind. It will be a very nice summery palette as well. I don't think you can build up become like too smoky. You probably can, but from my perspective, I don't think you can build up to that extreme smoky like events eye look. But for day-to-day use and for occasion use, this is more than enough. And you can use for whole face as this. Where is this? This one 08 you can use as a highlighter, but there is like a peach pink undertone for that. Overall, this is a more daily natural look, peach cute summery eyeshadow palette. Then let's sort out my brows. This is VT, I think was pronounced. This is the tinted brow pen. Seems the color is natural enough. And I will also use Anastasia's eyebrow pencil, which is highly rated, been in the market so long, but it's one of those products that I didn't buy. Here's Anastasia's one. Let's have a look. I like it, I like it, I like it. I like Anastasia's brow pencil. It is different. You know, every time I want to talk about eyebrow pencils, the hardness of the product itself, I always say, oh, it's just about right. This is further than just about right. This is precisely right. It is not too hard. It is not too soft. It is right in between that you easily to manage. Because originally I thought Anastasia's, eyebrow pencil, my perception would be very high pigment and very easy to, get the color on. You got to be a little bit careful when you use Anastasia's one, but I think it's also very friendly for beginners. The product itself is very easy to use, very easy to maneuver it as well, and the pigment is just so good. It is so good, and I really, really like the color. To get a right brow pencil color, it is really not easy. I didn't really realize that until I recently tried to change my brow hair color. Not the actual hair color, but the base color, the eyebrow pencil, because I used to use dark brown all the time. So I will use dark brown pencil, then just tint my eyebrow hair. But now recently I just try to find a color that really matches my own hair color, and it's so difficult because mine is not totally black, neither all gray, neither dark brown. It's like gray mixed with dark brown, and it's so hard to find a perfect one like this. Look, it's literally just like melted in with my own hair color, and I don't need to use any extra product to make my eyebrow looks further natural. I think, it looks very natural. Although I may not draw the shape that well, but it's still, oh my god. Oh, I don't know why I didn't use Anastasia's eyebrow pencil earlier. I've heard so good thing about it, and I'm going to buy their eyebrow powder based on this. This is such a good thing, such a good thing. I think today is a good finding, good finding. Florasis eyeshadow palette, I think, well, you guys know this brand very well. This is another very, very good one. I think would be lovely for the spring, summertime especially. And the powder quality is really good. The color combination, it is quite nice. Based on the first impression, I need to try out a little bit more often with this palette, but based on today's first impression, as I use the most of the colors, I don't think you can make too many different eye looks as it's all, you know, peach orange undertone. That's the only thing bear in mind. But if you like this type of color combination, no brainer, close your eyes and get this one. Anastasia's eyebrow pencil. Oh my god, I know it's high-end, but it really has high-end quality. The details makes difference. The whole experience of using it, the color they made is just, it's just so right. It's just so right. I think when it's on sale, this is one of the items I am going to stock it up. And the Maybelline's, let me get, you guys don't know how like a disaster down here at the moment. And the Maybelline's liquid eyeliner, I will test it out today just to see whether it's long lasting or not, whether it's waterproof or not, because I'm going to have the contact lens, so I will need to do the eye drops as my eyes does get a little bit dry. So I'm going to test it out. I will leave my feedback in my description box, so do go there and check it out. Also, oh, the liquid brow pencil, we didn't try today, but I will try it on another video. Hope you also liked today's video. If you do, click the like button please, and most importantly to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one.